Hello guys, in today's tutorial I will show you guys how to solve sites not secured on your WordPress website. That is how to secure your site. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that once you log in into your WordPress website, you simply scroll down and go to setting. Once you get to setting, you click on what? General. Once you are in general, you simply scroll down and you simply add S beside the HTTP. That is, you add another S beside the HTTP. That is your site address and the WordPress address. You simply add S. Once you finish adding the S, you simply come down and click on what? Save, and your site will automatically log out. After which you simply log in back into your site. So as you can see, you have now secured your site.